atese yɛde eba ɛwɔ yɛ dwumadie so nti maame nkyɛ ho kra ma yɛnsa sɛ na yɛnni nkɔbɔ kakra na yɛhwɛ de wɛ ɛnneɛma si kɔ ɛno ada German Bundesliga 2 matches ana ampato 1 game pɛ na ɛba so ɛnɛ ada matches aka nyina ɛtwɛne ɛntwa fa football kɔ no mo ɛkɔ away to Union Berlin ama Union Berlin bɔ ma tra ba kɔ mo so ɛntibante in fact mo game ni kɔkɔ yɛ 1-1 ɛntɛ no ada ɛno yɛ the only game ɛto etwa ɛwɔ German Bundesliga na no pɛ no yɛka kyerɛ German ne Adamant Saka nyina ɛto so Freiburg Boboko no wɔn betena fie ɔmo Feda Bremen na edisi ne ɛno ɛyɛ 2:30 wɔabrɛkɔ na tase Hadenium wɔn ɛne Hamburger SV wɔn game no ɛtima 20 na fe ukopie ma Menso 5 wɔn ɛnso ɛne Osberg game no ɛtwende na yɛnya St. Pauli wɔn ni Stuttgart na ɛbɔ Borussia Dortmund bɛkɔ away to Wolfsburg ana afe Borussia Mönchengladbach wɔn tena fie wɔn ni Bayern Leverkusen ana edisi ne ntia no yɛ matches a ɛto twa na ɛtia da yɛ 2 matches na ɛtwende ɛno yɛbɛnya team ani de FC Cologne wɔn tena fie wɔn ne RB Leipzig ana edisi ne ɛno yɛ 2:30 anwumire bato no na ba pounds mediasa yɛbɛnya Bayern Munich Boboko na wɔn tena fie ɛne tie di Hoffenheim ɛde ɛsɛ ne ntia no ɛyɛ 2 matches a ɛbɛba so na no pɛ ne yɛkɛtere ɛde ma mama refisa the league table no Bayern Munich Boboko no mugu so mu lead ɛno yɛ 51 points na ekomo after Monday 20 Borussia Dortmund wɔn to so no wɔn 45 points and after 42 points no ekwetie di Hoffenheim wɔn ɛto so miɛnsa ɛnan ne yɛ Stuttgart Boboko no wɔn ɛwɔ 39 points na fe wɔba bɛnya 36 points a ɛno kɔ RB Leipzig Boboko no wɔn to so num bato ensia ɛyɛ Bayern Leverkusen 35 points na ekomo ɛba ne ntinatoɔ no dia Harry Kane about 22 goals na ne goals 22 na wase no mepato emusia ɛyɛ penalty goals after Dennis Wundaf ekɔ 11 goals wobɛnya Harris Tabakovic wɔn kɔ 10 goals na waba bɛnya Luis Diaz wɔkɔ 10 goals Michael Olise ekɔ 10 goals Jonathan Baggett enso ekɔ 8 wobɛnya Seun Gurase wɔn anya 8 goals and after Andrade Kamarak wɔn so ekɔ 8 goals wobɛnya Branton Diari Said Mala wɔn kɔ 7 goals after Juan Diamande ekɔ 7 goals after wobɛnya Branton Diari Mohamed Amwara wɔn enso kɔ 7 goals anom reporter fi German Bundesliga adi eba ewo dwumadie so afa maame nkɔ La Liga na yɛni nkɔba kakra ɛno ada Spain no 1 game pen na ɛtota Osasuna wɔn kɔte Celta Vigo ɛbɔ mo ntrɛmienu mo tibu baako anom ɛyɛ game na tɛsɛ ɛnya sɛm kotwa kra Branton Diari Garcia ana fe ɛyɛ bidime wɔn na ɛbɔ 2 goals no ɛdɛm Osasuna bɔbɔ na Ansana Glaciers ɛnso atika no baako ɛyɛ penalty ana convert yɛ ɛdɛm Celta Vigo enti ɛno so wɔn game ɛtota ɛwɔ dwumadie so na no pen no makatre adama ɛnɛ matches aka no so ɛtwende agbo ɛyɛ and La Liga na yɛbɛnya Real Oviedo wɔn ani Real Mallorca ana de kwa kɔsɛri na fe Bayern Munich mpato Barcelona wɔn atena fie wɔn ɛne Mallorca ana kyɛsɛ wɔn nso ɛbɔ ntim ɛno yɛ game a ɛtotwa ɛwɔ dwumadie so Sevilla bɛtena fie wɔn ɛne Girona game na ɛtwende na yɛnya Real Sociedad wɔabere wɔn ne Elche ɛde si ɛne nti okɔ La Liga matches a ɛtotwa no ɛtena da matches ne sei na ɛsi 1 p.m. yɛbɛnya Deportivo Alaves wɔn tena fie wɔn ne yɛ Tefe ana ɛbɔ na afei yɛnya Athletic Club bɛba wɔn ne Levante game ne bɛtwende na yɛba bɛnya Atletico Madrid wɔn ɛne Betis na ɛbɔ but Valencia and Madrid game betotwa eno yetena na Monday bu football no eno so ya nwumire na watwe eno ye benya Espanyol Barcelona wo bra mo kwa away to Villarreal na face mo game na tima twani a eno ye matches a etotwa e La Liga na o table no Barca ekwa 55 points o mo lead afa Madrid e 54 points wo mo tosu mienu miensa aye Atletico Madrid wo mo 45 points na wo ba benya Villarreal wo mo tosu 9 42 points na ekwa 35 points no ekwa Betis Boboko no ana fe di otosu sia adon so aye team and din edi Espanyol sabepe ana nkoma no AC etia na eba ne ntenaton dia Kylian Mbappe lotire kwa 22 goals wodo na LED eba ne 22 goals and pato emu 8 goals aye penalty goals afa Vidat Muriki ekwa 15 goals wubenya Ferran Torres 12 goals afa Ante Budme 11 goals na wanya Robert Lewandowski wono ekwa 9 goals wubenya Lamine Yamal wokwa 9 goals Borja Iglesias ekwa 9 goals Aborto Mereno enso ekwa Pato wonukwa 8 goals na fe wenya Juan Hernandez wonukwa 8 goals Hafinha ekwa 8 goals Mikel Oyarzabal enso ekwa 8 goals anom dia efi La Liga adi aba mamenko na yanko friendly kan yeni nkoma kakra eno da mess boboko no wobutina fie womini li metropole ana di sia sa game no ekokoye suosu obi ama trankasa ene matesa a start no say the city ene anwumene no 9 pepepe na LCD loans boboko no womu tena fie womini stade Rene edi sia ne yebenya stade Beswa womu so betena fie womu ene Laurent na elbo na fie yenya Anant womu enso ene Olympic ground ya sia nti ene matesa beto dwane etena da matesa kan nyina estate enom 2 pm yebenya AS na ko mo ko awe to OG Sinis no mo game na tuma twande angage boboko no betena fie womu Toulouse na elbo afi AJ Ozio ene Paris FC yebenya Le Havre womu Strasbourg na fie PSG atena fie Parc des Princes womu enso ene Olympic to Marseille and the elbo where the classic massa game na nya better kwa na aban league log no so dia and commence na esitia ubenya PSG womu 48 points womu and LED say the league log no womenya ba form there at so mu di so sense RCD Lons si say no mu toss me no with 46 points wa ba benya Olympic to Marseille no mu toss me esa with 29 points after the same points no equal Olympic Lyon no mu toss and 9 enum yam le metropole womu 33 points na fe when you start Rene womu 31 points womu toss sia aba na ntina their Mason Greenwood we 13 goals number pattern 13 goals no emu 5 goals penalty goals after Joaquim Penatelli akudani ko 11 goals after ubenya Esteban Lepop wonu ko 9 goals Pavard switch so no ekwa 9 goals na wanya Wesley Said wonu ekwa 8 goals ubenya Elan Kaba wonu ko 8 goals Brady Bakola ekwa 7 okay Odsone Edward ekwa 7 goals na wabenya Sofian Top wonu ko 7 Ansu Forte ekwa 7 goals after Brantani de Roman Del Castello wonu enso ekwa 7 goals anom reporter atotwa awo pato friendly kan na no pen me kache edeman another piece aboboko no womne Alas Voronya womu game na kokoye suosuo anu ye Terence Ria ena matesa eba so na ye tupe yebenya Genoa womu atena fie womne Napoli na elbo ni anya Fiorentina womu asuni Torino elbo no sa game near 7:45 atena da matesa kan na etwande enum aye 11:30 am anu ye early kick up yebenya team ani dina de Bologna womne Parma Calcio ana elbo ni ena lete womne Udinese afesa solo boboko no womne Inter na enya Juve womu asuni SSC Lazio ana disiane Monday aye football no anyimire aye no numa ba pams mediasa yebenya Atlanta boboko no kama din Sulemana ni team no mene Cremonese ana disiane ni afi enya AS Roma wabro mene Cagliari Calcio enso edisiane na ukom league log no so dia Inter boboko no womu awe 55 points womu na LED Esiman Tosumi no womu 50 points na wanya Napoli womu enso Tosumi esa with 36 points after 45 points no ekwa team and dinadi Juve na wanya AS Roma 43 points ne komo after 41 points no ekwa team and din adi komo enti komani nie eba na ntina dia say pepepe ana esitia ewo monso akate na Lautaro Martinez ekwa 13 goals me pato ne 13 goals no enya de se penalty goal bia eka ho eno ye open play goals ana Brantele nya Christian Pulisic ekwa 8 goals ubenya Nico Pass okwa 8 after Abantele de Constantinos aya Dovekas wonum anso ekwa 8 goals Kenan Yades ekwa 8 goals Gift Orban ekwa 7 goals Rafael Leao ekwa 7 Hakan Tahanoglu ekwa 7 after Abantele din ade Kenan Davis anso ekwa 7 na wanya Ricardo Oslani wonu kwa 7 goals anti anom Hey, Terence Ria, Sababa Pena, almost one no, as it na yanko the most exciting league, na ending Kobaka Cry, and Premier League, no, na Ura Premier League, another came back at Rotam, and you listen United, Wamo at Northern Forest, up Woman Tramiansa, I'm a Northern Forest at Tibubako, na Anyasam Kutraka, Dormant Calvert Lewin, Echo Konya go, Nasani go, no, what the place record be now, and pay at Medium Koma, at Manchester United, and 12:30 early kickoff. Woman Tottenham Hotspur and edition and Old Trafford game and so started our EPL no ɛnɛ dan pato Arsenal ɛbɔ Sunderland afei benya AFC Bournemouth wɔn ɛne Aston Villa na ɛbɔ afei Burnley ɛne West Ham United ɛbɛbɔ na yɛnyɛ team and team ɛde Fulham wabra wɔn ɛne Everton ɛna ɛde sia na afei team yɛfɛ Wolverhampton Wanderers wɔn ne Chelsea na ɛbɔ na yɛnyɛ Newcastle bɔbɔ no wɔn nso ne Brentford ɛde sia ne ntɛn no yɛ Mattis a ɛtotwa ɛwɔ dwumadie so ɛna anɔpɛ no yɛkɛkyerɛ kakra ɛde da na coaches na kasa mame ne coaches no dwuma ɛwie me wia na afei meti ɛyɛ table no ɛso ɛde ada na wonim sɛ as usual Chelsea ɛba bɛbɔ nti nkɔmɔ no ayɛ gyabɛta mame start ɛmfamfi ɛyɛ Mark Carrick akate na ɔno ɛyɛ head coach ɛde ma Manchester United Mark Carrick akasa ɔse Tottenham Hotspur wɔn mu game na ɔmo kɔ akɔbɔ no ɛyɛ challenge yie paa ɛde ma Manchester United yɛntie Mark Carrick nkɔmɔ a wɔnom adi gyaeɛ.
Well, they certainly bring a challenge. I think you can see, especially the way they finished the game the other day, and they've had over a period of time players injured and ins and outs, and a lot of changes to the team, which makes things a lot more challenging, a lot more difficult from their perspective. But getting players back, and they've got good attackers, really good attackers that look to stretch the back line and play forward and attack the box an awful lot. So it's something we certainly got to be aware of, and slightly different game to maybe what we've played over recent weeks in some ways. But we're looking forward to it,
Okay, nti ani yankɔbɛ kakra so Mark Carrick adi tutwa ɛwɔ dwumadie so na Frank Mpato wɔno ana wɔyɛ head coach ɛnso ɛrema Tottenham Hotspur na ɛno na yɛbi so pɛyi ne sɛ san ana nkɔmɔ no sitia na ɔkyɛm so wɔwɛ ne Tottenham Hotspur bɔbɔkɔ na wɔn ambition ɛyɛ so mbɛdu well ɛno yɛ ade a ɛyi ɔmo yɛ pa Daniel Levy ade ɔde ama ɔmo nyinaa yɛ so ɔno Thomas Frank no wɔn mbɛdu well enti yɛnto pɛyi no ne nkɔmɔ a ɔno nso adi gyae.
I also think it's maybe nice little context to say that Man United don't play European football. I think we can all acknowledge there's a little bit, it's extra challenge, something we embrace and we're happy with. So I think let's judge us when we are on the same challenges. The ambition is that we want to do very well and carry on with the good performances and beat Man United.
Okay, nti anu yankɔbɛ kakra so Thomas Frank ade ba ɛwɔ dwumadie so Sunderland wɔn mu bɔ deɛ tia Arsenal na Mikel Arteta ana yɛ head coach ɛdema Arsenal bɔbɔkɔ no wonim sɛ Mikel Arteta ntimi ma sansantwɔfoɔ ɛbɛ grant the interview no mu mi sans the league no ɔbɛgye anaasɛ ɔngye na sɛ ɔgye deɛ Sunderland game no sign na ɔfa saa game no game no what it takes so the winning game no wa prepare na yɛntie Mikel Arteta.
Well, they are obviously extremely competitive, really well coached. They have very good individuals, very clear identity of what they want to do, where they want to take the game, and they are very good at it. You could only see the result that they had against the top side. So we know what to expect, but we need to deliver that tomorrow.
Okay, nti anu yankɔbɛ kakra so Mikel Arteta ade tutwa ɛwɔ dwumadie so ɛnti ɔkyerɛ sɛ Sunderland team no ɔmo krɔma identity ɔmo de bɔ ɔmo ba wotumi sɛ with extra figure ɔne energy na ɔmo de yɛ adwuma no Lem Rosino ɛyɛ head coach ɛrema Chelsea yɛbisa sɛ Wolves di ankaagya wɔbi asiasi bi o nti wei de sanka ɛnya de bia no ɔsemasa ɛyɛ very important game ɛde ɛma Chelsea yɛ pa nti wa prepare ne team na wɔde kɔ akɔsi Wolverhampton Wanderers.
We prepare in exactly the same way we prepare for any game that we play. I've watched Rob's team recently. They actually put in a very good performance against Bournemouth. We were unfortunate not to get anything out of the game. I thought they played very, very well. They put in some very positive performances in their last few games. But the biggest thing for me as the manager now with this group, I want to see a consistency in our levels of performance, of engagement, of intensity in every game that we play. So for me, that is something I've spoken to the group about. The next game is the most important game. And
okay, nti ani yankɔbɛ kakra sa Lem Rosino ɛde aba ɛwɔ dwumadie sɛ na anɔpɛ ne yɛka kyerɛ ɛde amana slot ana ɛyɛ head coach ɛdema Liverpool bɔbɔkɔ no ana yɛbisa sɛ ne dwumadie no ɔhɛ nneɛma sɛ ne si kɔ wa prepare nneɛma na ansort de atwitwa sɛ Liverpool deɛ ɛnyɛ bɛtɔ wokɔbɔ Lipoa anaasɛ wokɔbɔ Manchester City ɛnyɛ game a ɛyɛ bɛtɛ sɛ nti no ɔmbɛtɔ ɔmo possible best bia sɛ wɔmbɛyɛ adwuma no yɛnti ansort nkɔbɔ kakra wɔdo nso Eddie Giant.
Yeah, what I mainly remember is the game we played over there in the first half. We were completely outplayed for large parts, not for the complete 45 minutes, but for large parts. So it's another moment for us to see where we are in the development of this team. So that, of course, being said, we also know the importance of a result on Sunday, but that goes for all the 20 teams that are playing this weekend in the Premier League. It's the end phase of the season, so results matter more and more. And a very good team that were even able to win yesterday against the team that we beat during the weekend. Not even with their starters, so that tells you, combined with the game we've played again.
Okay, nti nata no yankoma kakwa so a openya ne tin ade yanso ade tuta esanse Monday na football pato ade say anonso to Sunday rather Sunday football anonso tuta ansana Brighton or Money Crystal Palace and so ade see ani anonso tenada sa two matches na tuta no na ano na owie na yekobisa openya ne de Pep Guardiola say obo against Liverpool na opepeye a de kwakobo ade tie Liverpool na Liverpool league no na womo so betimi ade a ebia wo na obedi ne o ma na say because yesi City and Liverpool na betimi ha Arsenal na Pep Guardiola nkoma ono so edja eni.
It was the toughest opening in a difficult place and stadium, and especially quality of the players, the managers. Been tough. Remain exceptional team, top class manager, exceptional team, no doubt. The moments are the moments, the seasons are the seasons. So I think rebuild the squad, and you don't rebuild the squad for one season, for many years. So always remains
okay, and also I am Komaka Pep Guardiola and you two just Osha and Slaughter. One in the team no we are very strong year panty and Canada mo game ni there enya better and we are 430 and as our game no Barcelona league log no Arsenal Boboko na 53 points. Woman na early dinafe when Manchester City woman tosu me no more 47 points. When Aston Villa tosu ayamiasa woman 46 points. Manchester United tosu and 9 woman 41 points. Now when Chelsea woman tosu num woman so 40 points. Eban Tinatona de Erling Haaland. We 20 goals. Afe Aiko Thiago. One 16 goals. Ubenya Antoine Semenyo. 12 goals. Hugo Iketike. 10 goals. Ubenya Dome Calvert-Lewin. One ekra 10 goals. Wenya João Pedro. We 9 goals. Ubenya Brani Mbiomo. We 8 goals. After Abrantani Dean Eddie Ilman Junior. Krupi. Abrantani and so 8 goals. Now wenya Harry Wilson. One and so ekra 8 goals. Ubenya Oli Watkins. One 8 goals. Na wanya Bruno Guimaraes. One ekra 8 goals. Ubenya Danny Welbeck okra 8. After Gerard Bowen and so ekra 8 goals. Na wanya Enzo Fernandez okra 8. Jean-Philippe Mateta and so ekra 8 goals. Anum I am koma and also every Premier League num adi eba wo dwumade so na no pe no make it kakra dem na ma yeni koma na yenwe dia update every clubs no so akache ebe na dia teni udim se Copa del Rey wo mo parents no anyapa na Copa del Rey the next game for Barcelona against Atletico Madrid felt like in the total Wanda Metropolitano sa game no ano on the 12th of February and sa game no total and you know three and sa game no basom anya sam kotwa Barca heard him so betime and so when return encounter and by third match sa game no and so Barca community there's a Copa del Rey wo he de we aniama sikwa anum Barcelona wo mukema wamba bana na no pen market kakra adiama wan se shawodo so na in the month of January ban player of the month na call Edma Kellen Mbappe Loten na anota anatasa Branta no omotre aye no 12 na de bana wutumi se kama pa Manchester the Fedi Babas wabra Abranta ni tena dina anya ise where the fourth time Abranta no and so the player of the month award no and team anu ya Kellen Mbappe Loten and koma kakranie na meko aye leaks na nyina kate na medi Portugal for no beka ho na medi Eric Divisie na fe medi Major League Soccer dia ka okay ma me fasa the Pro League de kranka ho kwabra league bia no wo monso players a omuti kasem e waso de pa na se player wa disika okay ma me say o fa leagues ni nyina player oyo hene wo ho sabe pe na ma me nya no e say player bi o disika pa wo ho no kwabra ono he de kin ono he de kempen wana tese league ni nyina esiri na so enti ukwasa the Pro League na mpato Cristiano Ronaldo ana wa disika kese pa ho na 240 million euros anu yeska bia me pato salary abranted etem and pato the highest salary of I League bia and in the player 2026 ana me de aba uko Premier League nima the salary awaso no Erling Haaland 31.45 million euros anu yeska abranted etem uko La Liga Kylian Mbappe wadi 31.25 million euros afa uko German Bundesliga Harry Kane wadi 25 million euros afa uko Italian Serie A and ye Dusan Vlahovic wanu edi 22.22 million euros afa uko Turkey anam anso aya Brantford din edi John Duran wanu so edi pato 18.75 million euros afa wako La Liga ne aye Osman Dembele me pato the Ballon d'Or winner wanum age 18.18 million euros na fe wa Major League Soccer na winning so Osman Dembele adizika at Italian na Messi Major League Soccer na Lionel Andrea Messi ana elidu ho ono disika kase at as an salary so 17.26 million euros afe oko ampato Piamara Liga na anom ay Diogo Costa ampato Portugal no sa aya branch and goalkeeper no wado 4.81 million euros anu yeska kodanete ana afe de Eric Divisier anom asu ye Netherlands Sergio Dest ana disika kase ho anom 3.92 million euros inti asisi anom ano aye leaks ni nyina ampato akase na obi anima obi abodi no player disika kase odi an salary so ana na no pay market enso edema na mamenko Cristiano Ronaldo na menko kodin koma kakra Ronaldo boycott na eguso a etwene den abrante de boy na why say na saboboko no say anasa fone ne nkasa amana kuma Antoine yampa de onye na ade so beba na do mene aritiat ana boy na sakem no na yenim sanka ja anya hwekra de anka Cristiano Ronaldo beba na nka bia Ronaldo ababa ya tuma no enso adiama arna saboboko no wo mu ya anya de se Ronaldo ebae na wohwe de wa anya manso esi akwa na nka Ronaldo amana nka bia masedi bi kra enso beba na sa anka o ma se bia bibia betimi akoya eno so mo ya anya de se tama be piem na kwabna wo mu game no na supporters no aya de be wan se anasa SITAT aya 2 goals Sadio Mane enya go ho na fake bro enso de ba kwaka na penalty no kra no ya penalty na Sadio Mane enso convert here edema Arna Saboboko no na eno na supporters ne say we enyo protest ana mo ye de tia Ronaldo kwabna we a son of a beg anu mu o ka tia Ronaldo se tibidi utimi nya no anti mo hwa screen no some with the number 7 ana chese obi ane cut and ubenya the yellow no ana mo di blue no atra 7 ana chese supporters ni nyina krakra e park no so it's a sign ata so mo ka tia Cristiano Ronaldo say wo mo do ni ye pa team ni dia so ni ma team ne wo he ento mo ka tia Ronaldo say wo mo na afi bibia to bro bibia si bia no Ronaldo front right na afi wo mo na ma bibia so anya kama enfo mo na room no e ya do so so Ronaldo be ko Ronaldo nye happy no supporters ni say wo mani nyo nte another the jersey number 7 on the 7th minute ano mo yes ade no mo say signify bibi atre bibi ano so ahuso ni tabibi anti the jersey number 7 on the 7th minute ana tell so mo yes ade no the ana safo no ka take Cristiano Ronaldo ana no pe no make atre Adama Femi Lopez when say why any contract sense in the Barcelona na Barca for adwunboni nti akoda ne contract no ye no mo say 1 billion ana ye release cost nti o pa brand na this work akotwa 1 billion ansana ebia betimi activate akoda na anya sa dia this Barca fankasa bo na ebia bo mo pe no wo bo na wo so atimi aba betua na sisia no reporter mensaka ayesa after Branton one player mo say wo mo hwe so mbey extension Adama man ye Ferran Torres current contract no expire 2027 that means aka 1 year pe awa akoda ne contract no so na yasi Teko atasa we sporting director Adama Barcelona na Abrante we wo manage ni we penti wo mo so masa so mo na akoda ne kasa Ferran Torres ne contract no wo metime extend Adama no ebia 2031 na wo be ma players ne bia na chese eno so akoda ne ye reporter eba e wo dwumade so na no pe no make it Adama na Metro Revolution ana chese eba eno ye Manchester City meti bibi na yasi City bobo kono se Pep Guardiola betno se Pep Guardiola beko wo musi chimni the players no wo be overhauling papa sisia no Jeremy Dokumo no ani antwa se banyom na omode omba be Manchester City no anti we player na wo ti wo me list so na why wadwen se ubenya akọ wo nkokra kwankro bia so almost summer one meto players here pa na edi ametiti pa no aye John Stones kwabna almost say John Stones ana fe Bernardo Silva afide kwankobia so se wo mu contract ne ba na wie ya anya de so mbe renew edi amamrante no na ombebo mako as free agent afe Matthew Kovacic ana na ten okay wo mu tese ne tenake de ani Matthew Kovacic just sika bia ba na yeska ye kama ombe ebetiem no matamrante ne kwan na wo mu so timako wo mu so mu twa Manola Kanji enti sɛ wɔno nso wɔn disca bɛba na permanent no wakɔ Inter enti Inter for ano mo twa ma Abrante ba kɔ mo nsɛda ehu na adwene yɛ kura no ɛyɛ Abrante ne de Savinho no mo nsɛda ehu yɛ sɛ wɔn ngya ne squad no ana sɛ bia wɔn ma ne nkɔ enti ano yɛ reporter mete from Manchester City na no pɛ no make it edema total overhauling ano mo so ɛba bɛyɛ na Vinta Valescalia Abrante de prayer meko Paris Saint-Germain na medin koma kakra reporter men seka ɛyɛ sɛ nyame anim ne Abrante na start training at ne koto dwene ho kai no enema ye okay enso edema na wo mo yɛ sɛ PSG squad wo mo ade body Sunday no ebi Abrante de classic no ebi Abrante no betimi abobi edema mo mbɛ sɛ obɛyɛ okay na for against Olympic Dumase Abrante na timasi akan edema PSG boboko no eno yɛ nkɔbɛ kakra men seka ɛwɔ tuma de so na Kylian Mbappe yɛse ɔne ne lawyers no ade PSG for ɛsan kokɔ to biem na wo mu sika bi o mu ntwae no saa ɛyɛ wages ana sɛ bonuses na nkɛsɛ ɔmo de mana besina sɛ hu sɛ sika no ɛma loyalty bonuses ahodoɔ ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo nsa ɛka no sika no nkɛsɛ deɛ na no dɔ ɔmo kɔ court kwabena yɛse court ɛsɛ sɛ anka PSG boboko no ɛntwa 60.9 million euros ɛmfama Kylian Mbappe ata sɛ emu unpaid ɛyɛ bonuses nkwa no ɛyɛ 55 million euros na saa sika no ana ɔmo kyɛ sɛ emu ɛyɛ 59 okay 5.9 million euros no kwabra omo se ni mani ma de says kan na nka esa Abrante no ensa ka se Kylian Mbappe matwen a sa bonus sika na on vacation where vacation bonuses nko a en na 5.9 million euros no eno dia ya se omo de akwa go to se eni mani ya omo hwe na omo says kan no na se ko ba se PSG a hwe interest kan dia ya se PSG ajapade bi omo bi a ne bodo quantifier edu 5.9 on BCC and any reporter mensa eka awo dwumade so na no pay no make it ediama kwamna nyame anim ne sa yi afuto ye papa no ne ye nananom tatu afo se sabe be ma de wusi so a sabe oba na se be ma bi bobra boni bi na me fan se die mu do kwamna se ye kabre mu do de awa unim de wa ezide ye ntanse se nipa no be kwamna ye nua ba ko de what's on the obesisa no which mu time obesisa nti yes pon star ba ko ana okohu na ohaba abaya ni mpokra ne the one so ne tuni sichana body ni that's one so de otu mutai anticast me mesesa conclude bia so mama aba di nyame adi mama anyi nyame ani kura mama adi ala adi na enema e kama na eno Nicolas Pépé kwabna Nicolas Pépé answer our girlfriend bia na oyipo no mo amota hwe de am say eja seniors mbehu abaya yi abaye ne tin ade trainer Trump no na kwabna yaso de ayi buruburu films yi de odi mudwuma pa ana Nicolas Pépé ene ne sa so omu deti na since one ne deti de waretai abaya no nkobiem onkoyi nkete mama fo musisi ade nkete no wani Pépé ana kwa reporter mensa eka ya se akwana ya na adwen se entomo baba ware akwa ebu ese di bato Nicolas Pépé no was ne girlfriend na nyame anim de oya no ja mpemfo movie na chese abaya ni yisi Pépé se waye adwuma ni nyina wie o makofia ko hu abusua kra ma chese awade ne ba so ano nti ye nua no ye ma ne seden se ne be betime nya yokodu ohum na ja wajira mema nyina nam na we obaba ye so fo akwabna wo ye wan obasakra Nicolas Pépé ti enkomo no enyina ne na ma me nkomanim kakra na me nkoma de dakate ma de same sisa dia aba no mu nya creative midfielder na me baba ka to say sa creative midfielder no ma dwe nyina ye say adagule betime aye aduma no betam o ma say adagule aduma no ade so mu nya obi a obetime aye aduma obeka a me baba ka to say man de force wo mu awo aye dreams bi no na sa dream no aye impossible better Wombe Sebio betima ataya me baba ka to say Enzo Fernandez ana aye Vitinha sisi na omuso man narrow down aba Vitinha na omo narrow down aba Vitinha kwa ma say Vitinha na be den e de ma omuso benya from aye Portugal ye kan say wo makoda na fe aye PSG wo makoda no but do mo tell say PSG team na omusa Fabien Ruiz ho kwa bro omuso Fabien die omo he betima anya ntidom omo sa say wo mu di san komo na tese ometima we say wo manya Fabian Ruiz dia akoda de ni Eddie Keith Smith ana teso mo yeso ometima nya Keith Smith na from AZ ometima ma akoda na bana wo ba be adwuma no enso Eddie Amomo and he said Keith Smith and Fabian Ruiz ana teso ne Madrid boboko no enso yeso ometima nya mu ba ko na wo ba be adwuma de ama Madrid and yankoba kakwa so amete awo adwuma de so 30 million euros no eska say Barcelona etua no ometima nya Marcus Rashford nkoma kakra mensaka yesa sasika no Barca for say omadwene ho mbetua na omatiti say Manchester say board there enya de so mbeto say yes Manchester United akoka ba bia ma Barca for na te say na nkoda no kro mototo ne say player he say no goals involvement 23 goals involvement in 33 matches such a player now ba beton below 30 million Manchester for so mo ntiase ntade say team ne 30 million euros ansana womo enso etimanya Marcus Rashford ani yakoba mensaka awodwuma de so ana Barca for the chance nanka omako 1-1 runa omako 1-1 runa anka wembe top players here pa Marcus Rashford omanto no kwa no 25 million euros na omato Julian Alvarez 85 million euros na omato Alexandro Bastoni 70 million euros anka Barca sika 7 nyina no ebaba koye 180 million euros no spending na yaze Barca for the din komatasa omoko 1-1 runa nka sa players ni nyina no ankombo value mu nyina bom ena nka Barca stadium de new sport for Cameroon na nka won so atima ya de no reporter mensaka awoduma de so na no pe no make it de ma market ka we ken koba mensaka de no dance and trofo ko nu no kakra say onya team no mo betna say o ya na omoko bi sanse na open koba say Manchester e de adwuma ma anase okay yanka say quotisa Manchester edwom so be mo permanent deal no so we din ka ho a anka ba de no so sanka sempa na me ba no me feel ye pa bibia ye kama de we ne Mexico de we oni boys ne esitia no koba say bia ade kwate na Manchester ka to on trust nya adwuma na why not on dem kan anybody ye pa because wono baby a boys no ne o madin komadu na we he de we ne Mexico na anka be ya kama beta anya no na oba be ma na kawi no aba ne tirima ya ne da what is situation na say domudi ne baba bia in fact one day on said that any say bia e wo mte ene ya makeka we ken koma kakra wadi tutwa e wo duma de so reporter mensaka say Madrid she said dem so menya sporting director ankasa esanse okọ Madrid director of football and head of football anomo Santiago Solari wono ana ye say aduma no ya say the hierarchy at Madrid e wo didi ye pass sansema tutu Madrid decision no sankomo sporting director ankasa sansema tutu Madrid no ankanya de say wo so ebenya sansem no entim anu ye reporter mensaka e o Madrid akata na no pemeka e we etire enso dem atomic cavel win mekato say wo ya de bia Premier League no mo head down team kase bia be kwa na unim say wo head goals etem Benjamin Sesko wo head 10 goals Benjamin Sesko head 10 goals Bukayo Saka wo head goals channel Kopama wo head 10 no Victor Jokeres wo goals channel Brandon Diomo Joao Pedro Mohamed Salah Phil Foden Nick Fotamede Afe Oli Watkins wo say goals chen Kudus Mohamed wo say goals chen Matthias Cunha Gerard Bowen wo head goals chen Jean-Philippe Mateta ana Raul Jimenez mu nyina no wo head goals Etoman no Etomet Carvel winning komo enso ene say all Cancelo Barcelona bobo ko na register no e wo mo squad o mo de kobo UEFA Champions League no anu so nkoba kakwa ne reporter mete e wo say Barcelona asa na no da wo mo say team bi buy aba be din semhu amon ba betutu o mo panel security panels ne ade Barcelona for so mo de de wa hoden pa de aba ata so ma ba be fete ata say kama na anu ya thicker than their previous one na wo mo say no Antibasa say sia do mo panels no e be ya aduma kama na Adama Traore enso pama kukuya ya town another on a live interview ana bantente so wo pa kukuya ya to ye pa na kukuya de o nice guy o na ja bono mo bokwa bro se du ba bi akoma no etimi ma ya ne ma bi ho de wa na de si ko mulusu na kwa bna se ne ka wid na e ma na ye start enti o pama kukuya ya town ene ye reporter e ba e wo dwumade so na no pe no make it de ma na wonim say Man City Boboko no since Pep Guardiola by score must spend any adwuma why no why adwuma the chen clubs must spend kase kwa yes they was spend kase pa here Manchester United since 2016 Pep Guardiola by Manchester I spend 1.4 billion euros. Kwa 1.4 billion euros mo dia 5 trophies the including one Champions UEFA Europa League. And Man City since the Pep Guardiola buy them, we must spend 1.1 billion euros per what the 18 solid trophies out as a UEFA Champions League account, 8 Premier Leagues account. Chelsea are spending 1.1 billion. We must the 8 trophies out as a Champions League account, UEFA Europa League and account, and 1 Premier League. Arsenal are spending 1.1 billion. We must the 5 trophies. Tottenham Hotspur 892 million. Out as a 1 trophy per no mediate, and Liverpool are spending 649 million euros. So more at the 9 trophies at as a 2 Premier Leagues also account, and soon come back total. I would do so CONCACAF. Kabran say CONCACAF in Pepe the wo musi board no say wo mo automatic qualification no I there say 3 na emu mienu akwakobo playoff no ma ba be ka ho na 5 in Pepe America say they say CONCACAF no automatic qualification no 6 emom no munya 6 ni we omo ebe say nya extra one ebe the 7th one reporter mensaka so omo no be kwakobo playoff and the best third place teams no ma koma bom no ma kwakobo sa playoff no one ball playoff na so mitimi qualify there na ba be ka CONCACAF wo mu 6 automatic qualification na ba be 7 slot and omo our 2030 World Cup na ye ba be bonu Morocco and afem pato there say Spain ni atidom na no so atima bonte and a reporter eba wotuma de so nsam ka no adult ye pa better mad the France since Cristiano Ronaldo ko no free kick about for me pa because Ronaldo no mubo free kicks we mu go to na was really pa better since Ronaldo edi pata and base no mu free kicks ni na no for me tena me ba sa story we me ba be wura mu ye enso dia mam na atumi aboa ye pantie with that na ma me fan crofo ama so nsem ni nyina emfa ensi hanom so
okay ba unya hasema
oh that
ya some bow
ya record we
na butreche na
me say nyame na me yes I know how much say Pep do buy no
and then no credit
must spend 1.4 billion euros
and then also sometimes I know nyama for ko say so we try be no kasa Manchester yes spend an
must spend pa na
so yeah no
so bia
say be top players omo nchara nya de eno na but anopay because before abokokra na Nicolas Pépé Omiyamu na basu yi. Adia abrante na ye no. Asofo grant bi nyewu. Asampa odi ko adumuni ade. Omo ka ensampa o. Omo ka guys bi. Omo sata.
Minima sankwa Nicolas Pépé katra baya na.
Nicolas Jackson ko
wetimi amana asesa no.
Minima o si gogo girl no mind
minya sa ne mind na nka me de be aduma.
Emsa abrante no. Ye na nka instead no.
We ne friend legend.
Yeah, so duma no ayi no.
Pure legendary work na akona na ye no. Ti jazem kutwa.
What border with him? Oh yeah. Okay. So say nyezi so obetru obi afisa area.
We are no bisa Kofi awese bia. Kofi ohunu say iza.
Kofi de no kro mpa ne say or calling. But on person de be adwuma. Eno an me problem no. Oh. Na ade ntia mani timi mfa nya adwuma no minim.